check out my new rear bumper. This thing is sick. Okay, here's my new bumper installed. Made in America by the company Move. Customizations, side step, standard. Top steps, those I added for additional fee. Rear wing lights. 1 is standard, 2 is custom. I added that. I got the beefier cleaver mounts. That's standard upgrade. This was custom. I added in the trailer plug cutout. And then the brackets that hold it up are for a 3-inch body lift. And then last but not least, they require their Move logo, which is in the lower left. And I'm a symmetrical freak, so I think it was clever. I added the word back with a similar cutout. So it says Move Back, which makes a lot of sense because I hate tailgaters. The last mod is when I get my new engine and tranny, I'm going to put in a custom exhaust with 5-inch black tips, and we added cutouts for those. Having a step-side box on an 88 to 98 Chevy K1500 is pretty rare, so they didn't have it on file. They found one and they were able to do some modifications, but I still had to do some more modifications once I received the product. So you will see that in this video. This thing came in about 25 pieces and required 50-60 tack welds just to fit it. It was a lot of work, but definitely worth it. And then pull it back. And you can take it out now. So that bolt needs to go. That's holding the trailer hitch. These are our 3-inch lift brackets. All right, we got the 3-inch body lift braces.
Is that good?
Partially tightened and level.
Where do you want the light? This way?
That's fine. That's fine. And the old braces are coming off and getting thrown. All right, we got tack welds. They're there. Here, and here. All right, we got the side steps tacked in. We're gonna have to do a mod there and square that out and cut that up.
Okay. Now, do you think?
So right now, our
You think that's gonna do it?
our support brackets are about 2 inches from touching, so we can't even weld them
So we gotta go in 2 inches.
until we cut this piece out. Then we can move it 2 inches
Yeah, we
up,
got a good 2 inches if we go there.
and then we can weld it to the support frame.
Yeah.
All right, we got it tacked on. This is a rough cutout, so we could get close enough so that the support braces here touched the metal, so we could tack them. And then using a level, you can tell it's matching the tailgate body line perfectly. On the side steps, we cut this straight and then cut about a good solid 1 to 2 inches at that horizontal cut, deeper. All right, to recap, this bumper came in a bunch of pieces. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So this bumper came in 21 pieces. And it took quite a few tack welds to get it to hang in place so we could fit it. Tack welds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. 61 tack welds in total. So I made sure we had the cube lights available so we could fit these U brackets. We ended up having to weld this upside down because the bolt wouldn't be accessible because the step plate was in the way here.
Oh, we got it wrong.
Nope, we got it right.
Okay.
And this doesn't go to a full 90-degree angle, so it was perfect having this available while we tacked this because we ended up with about a 75-degree angle on every one of these. Alright, now it's time to fill in all the welds.
That?
Oh, I'm just getting a little coverage of you. Do the fine finishing with the little guy. Got the back side welded. Partially, mostly. Alright, we got all our weld lines grinded down, smoothed out. Now we're going to wipe it down with grease remover and then prime it. Alright, we got the bumper hanging from the ceiling with 4 pieces of wire. Getting ready to prime it. Here is our Raptor kit. Comes with a gun, hardener, 4 bottles of tintable Raptor, and 4 3-ounce bottles of bright white paint. I anticipate we'll use 2 to 3 bottles of the white paint and tintable Raptor, and have an extra one laying around. The 32 ounces of hardener is for 4 bottles, so you need 8 ounces of the hardener per bottle of tintable base. I like the Dixie cup. 4 ounces.
Nothing like a Dixie cup.
2 of those.
2?
Yep, because 8 ounces per bottle. Yep.
Let me get it. No problem.
And all 3 of the white.
Three of them?
You don't have to worry about matching the paint because they keep getting the same paint code.
Yeah. 3 of them?
Nope, just 1.
Just 1?
1 per bottle.
Okay, perfect.
Now we shake it for like 2 minutes and then ready to spray. Instructions say spray it 40 to 60 psi, but we think 80 looks the best for the bumpers and actually the body of the truck, and that's what we've always done. Okay, the last tip. As the welder, you have a mask and you're protected, but as the helper, which I was, I had an ultraviolet face burn, like a really bad sunburn, from the neck on up. And it actually burnt my eyes a little bit. I had a welder's eye burn. It took about 2 days for my eyes to heal. They felt very scratchy. So both the welder and the helper should wear a mask when you're welding to this magnitude.